Hey, everybody, I want to let you know about a free 1 hour workshop I'm going to be doing on stories, on Bible stories, how to read them and how to bring them into your life and live them. It's kind of a fun thing. We're going to be doing some, basic story stuff. We'll play with some ancient Near Eastern stories. We'll play with some Bible stories. And in the end, you're going to get, the same basic tools we talk about in class and just rehearse over and over again. And you'll have even things that you can do tomorrow or right after the workshop that you can live better for the Lord. So yeah, come check it out. I don't know the date. Well, I don't remember the dates and times, and even if I did, I'm not allowed to say them because I always screw it up. So go to pillarseminary.org/events and sign up. Yeah, hope to see you there.